What is the average electrician salary in Suriname? The average salary of an electrician in Suriname is 6,000 US dollars a year. After tax, that drops to $5,100, which leaves you with roughly $425 a month in take-home pay. While that is the average electrician pay across the country, electrician wages are usually higher in major cities, so someone working in Paramaribo brings home about $6,100 after tax, which adds up to roughly $508 each month. However, living outside the main city costs less, so lower electrician income in rural areas often balances out in the end. Early in your career, entry-level electrician pay starts well below these numbers, but it goes up quickly as you gain real experience on the job. Without moving into a higher role, your salary will eventually plateau. That is why many workers choose to earn a university degree, because having extra education helps you move into higher-paying positions like electrical engineer or project manager. On top of that, learning specialized skills will help you earn noticeably more over time. So how much does an electrician make in Suriname ultimately depends on how far you advance.